Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Medicine. So in today's video, we're going to solve this equation. Yeah, so we have to solve for the values of x. We have x root of 2 raised to the power of x plus 3 raised to the power of negative x plus x root of 2 raised to the power of negative x plus 3 raised to the power of x, then over x root of 6 raised to the power of x plus 1, which is equal to 25 over 36 raised to the power of 2x squared. So we have to solve for the values of x. Okay, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that this video can be pushed to others that need the solution to this problem. All right, and don't forget to like and comment for encouragement. Thanks, guys, for watching. All right, so let's dive into the solution. Solution. Yeah, how are we going to solve this equation? Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a substitution to make this problem more easier for us to solve. Okay, so now here's the substitution I'm going to make. I'm going to let t to be equal to 2 raised to the power of x, and then I'm going to let u to be equal to 3 raised to the power of x. Okay, so if t is 2 raised to the power of x and u is 3 raised to the power of x, now let's simplify this left hand side. So simplifying this left hand side, I'm going to start with this, then followed by this and this denominator. So simplifying the numerator first, so we have the x root of 2 raised to the power of x, which is now t, then plus, now 3 raised to the power of minus x. 3 raised to the power of minus x is the same thing as 1 over 3 raised to the power of x. And we know that 3 raised to the power of x is u, so that will be 1 over u. So we have 1 over u, so which is also equal to x root of, the LCM here will be u, so that will be ut plus 1 over u, which is also equal to x root of ut plus 1 then over u raised to the power of 1 over x, which is x root of u, okay, which is equal to ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x, then multiplied by u raised to the power of minus 1 over x. You understand now? So that is this. Then moving to the next one, which is x root of 2 raised to the power of negative x plus 3 raised to the power of x. 2 raised to the power of negative x is also 1 over 2 raised to the power of x, which is 1 over t. So then we have x root of 1 over t, then plus 3 raised to the power of x, which is u, okay? And then the LCM here is t, so we have over t. So that will be 1 plus u, and don't forget 1 plus ut. And don't forget the x root here. So which is also equal to ut, then plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x, then multiply by, that will be t raised to the power of minus 1 over x. So that is beautiful. So the numerator here, we have this. And then if you add, you can see the addition here. So let's add and let's see what we are going to get. So adding, we are going to have ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x multiplied by u raised to the power of minus 1 over x, then plus ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x multiplied by t raised to the power of minus 1 over x. Okay, guys, so we can see that ut plus 1 is common here, so we can factor out ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x. So we have ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x, which is equal to, into bracket, u raised to the power of minus 1 over x, then plus t raised to the power of minus 1 over x. Now, this is beautiful. So let's just keep this, and then let's simplify the denominator. So simplifying the denominator, we are going to have the following. So the denominator is x root of 6 raised to the power of x plus 1. This is also x root of 2 multiplied by 3, then raised to the power, 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6, okay, plus 1, which is also equal to x root of 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x, then plus 1. Okay, and we already know that 2 raised to the power of x is t and 3 raised to the power of x is u. So this will be equal to x root of, ut, then t multiplied by u, that will give us ut, then plus 1. So that's the denominator. All right, so now let's simplify that completely. From this, from this part, we have ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x in bracket, u raised to the power of minus 1 over x plus t raised to the power of minus 1 over x. That's the numerator. So now let's put that and put the denominator so that we can simplify that completely. So now simplifying the left hand side completely, we are going to have ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x, then into, we have u raised to the power of minus 1 over x plus t raised to the power of minus 1 over x, u raised to the power of minus 1 over x plus t raised to the power of 1 over, minus 1 over x. Then everything over, you can also write ut plus 1, x root of ut plus 1 as ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x. So what you observe, ut plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x, we cancel out, okay? So what we have now in the LHS is u raised to the power of minus 1 over x, then plus t raised to the power of minus 1 over x. And guys, remember that u is 3 raised to the power of x and t is 2 raised to the power of x. Okay, so we are going to have 3 raised to the power of x, then raised to the power of minus 1 over x, then plus 2 raised to the power of x, then raised to the power of minus 1 over x. So which is equal to, x, we cancel out x here. So what we have now is 3 raised to the power of minus 1, then plus x, we cancel out x here also. We have 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Okay, so which is 3 raised to the power of minus 1 will give us 1 over 3. Then plus 3 raised to the power of minus 1 will give us 1 over 2. So the LCM here is 6. So that will be 2, then plus 3 over 6, which is equal to 5 over 6. So that is the LHS. So the left hand side is simplified to 5 over 6. That is so beautiful. So let's solve this completely. So since the LHS is 5 over 6 and we have the RHS, that is the right hand side, which is 25 over 36 raised to the power of 2x raised to the power of 2. 25 is 5 raised to the power of 2 and 36 is 6 raised to the power of 2. So this will be 5 over 6 equals 5 raised to the power of 2, then over 6 raised to the power of 2, then everything raised to the power of 2x squared. Okay, then we are going to have 5 over 6 equals, then 5 over 6 squared, then raised to the power of 2x raised to the power of 2. So, which is also 5 over 6 equals 5 over 6, then raised to the power of, no, so 2 multiplied by 2x squared will give us 4x raised to the power of 2. This is raised to the power of 1. So we can observe the exponent, or you take the logarithm of both sides. So taking the logarithm of both sides, we have log of 5 over 6, which is equal to log of 5 over 6, then raised to the power of 4x squared. Okay, so then this 4x squared will come here. So we have log of 5 over 6 equals 4x squared multiplied by log of 5 over 6. So what do you observe, that log of 5 over 6, we cancel out log of 5 over 6. So what we have now is 4x squared is equal to 1. Then you divide both sides by 4. So we have x squared is equal to 1 over 4. Then take the square root of both sides. So we have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 over 4, which is equal to plus or minus 1 over 2. So guys, therefore, x is equal to 1 over 2 or negative 1 over 2. So those are the two values of x. And that's beautiful equations. Okay, viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, and share. See you next time.